It's okay. How so? Because you can count the numbers, so I can show you how to see the date, like today. Okay? So if you want to see the date today, we can use the month. The month is 月. And the day is 日. Okay, this one is 月, so 月. It means the month. And this one is the day, so 日. Yes, very good. So 月. And this one is 日. Good job. So you just need to add the numbers here. So for example, it's April, right? So how to say April? 4. How to say 4? That's right. So we can say 4月. Okay, let me write it here. So 4月. Great. And the 日, what's the date today in your place? '21st. How to say 21st? That's right. 21. So you can say 4月21日. Great. Let's try this one. So 月. And 日. Great. So 4月21日. Great. But in my place, today is this one. What's the date? Great. 4月22日. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。